We tested ghost protein in an independent lab, and what we found will make you question everything you thought you knew about supplement marketing. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about protein supplements in America. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end, because we are going to give you the full protocol and reveal exactly what our lab tests found. Let's get into it. ACT1, the problem ghost protein, is everywhere right now. The colorful tubs, the cereal flavor collaborations, the influencer deals worth millions. They have become one of the fastest growing supplement brands in America, and they have done it by being the cool kid in the room. But here's the question nobody is asking. Does the protein inside actually match what is on the label? See, the American supplement industry operates under something most people do not understand. The FDA does not approve supplements before they hit shelves. Companies self-certify their own labels, they test their own products, and they report their own numbers. This is not conspiracy. This is literally how the system works in the United States. Independent lab testing has exposed dozens of major brands for protein spiking. That is when companies add cheap amino acids like glycine or taurine to inflate the nitrogen count on tests. The protein number on the label looks accurate, but your muscles are not getting what you paid for. So we sent Ghost Whey to an ISO-certified third-party laboratory. We tested for actual protein content, amino acid profile, heavy metals, and label accuracy. What we found genuinely surprised us. ACT2, the hidden truth here is what the lab results showed. Ghost protein tested at 24.8 grams of protein per serving. The label claims 25 grams. That is a 99.2% accuracy rate. For the supplement industry, that is exceptional. The amino acid profile showed complete transparency, no evidence of protein spiking, no suspicious glycine or taurine spikes. The leucine content tested at 2.4 grams per serving, which is right at the threshold research shows you need to trigger muscle protein synthesis. Heavy metal testing came back clean. Lead, arsenic, cadmium, and mercury all tested below detectable limits. This matters because protein concentrates can accumulate heavy metals during processing. Now compare this to what independent tests have found in other brands. Studies published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition have found some popular proteins testing as low as 60% of label claims. Some contained undisclosed ingredients. Some had dangerous heavy metal levels. Ghost passed every single metric we tested. The product is legitimate. ACT3, the mechanism whey protein works because it delivers a rapid spike of amino acids to your bloodstream. Within 30 to 60 minutes of consumption, your blood amino acid levels peak. This signals your muscle cells to shift from breakdown mode into building mode. The key player is leucine. Research shows you need approximately 2.5 grams of leucine per meal to maximize something called the mTOR pathway. This is your body's master switch for muscle protein synthesis. Ghost delivers 2.4 grams, which is close enough to trigger this response, especially when combined with food. Whey isolate, which Ghost uses, is processed to remove most lactose and fat. This means faster absorption and fewer digestive issues for people with mild dairy sensitivity. The protein is absorbed and utilized within 90 minutes of consumption. ACT4, the protocol based on our testing here, is exactly how to use Ghost protein for maximum results. Take 1 scoop within 30 minutes post-workout. This is when your muscles are most sensitive to amino acids. On rest days, take 1 scoop with breakfast to hit your daily protein target early. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows spreading protein intake across meals optimizes muscle protein synthesis better than loading it all at dinner. For most people, aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Ghost can cover 25 of those grams per scoop. Use whole foods for the rest. ACT5 week by week results. Week 1, you will notice improved recovery. Less soreness between sessions. By week 4, with consistent training and adequate calories, you should see measurable strength improvements. By week 8 to 12, you are looking at visible changes in muscle fullness and definition. Ghost protein passed our tests. The label is accurate, the product is clean, and the science supports its use. You now have the data to make an informed decision. The science is out there, and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol. Sources: Jaeger et al., Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, 2017, Protein Quality and Supplementation Position, Stand, Morton et al., British Journal of Sports Medicine, 2018, Systematic Review on Protein Dose Response for Muscle Gains, Consumer Labs Independent Testing Reports, 2023, Protein Powder Accuracy and Contamination Analysis.